Nose in, Masha Allah, he's flying nose in orientation after taking off. I'm proud of you, Arish. I will try to crash my BO105 in your E110 spy helicopter. I'm flying it like fly harder, crash harder. That's the shirt I'm wearing today. Arish is making it difficult for me to... Yeah! Something broke! Something broke! Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, AliShanMao here. I and Arish are gonna fly two helicopters together. Arish is flying E110 and I'm flying E120, the BO105. Alright, so I'm just gonna turn it on and turn on the radio. I hope it didn't bind to Arish radio. Okay, I have my control, you have your controls, right? Alright, here we go. Come on, take off and we'll follow each other. Backward. Yes. Nose in, Masha Allah, he's flying nose in orientation after taking off. I'm proud of you, Arish. Okay, go forward and here comes my BO105. So, Alhamdulillah, after so many years, finally I get to see this year as a proud father and a very happy father that I'm flying a helicopter with my son, Arish. And inshallah, we will be flying FPV and chasing FPV as well. You know, chasing each other, flying FPV, that time is coming soon, inshallah. We just need two FPV aircrafts, right? Okay, can you follow me like this? See what Baba is doing? Slowly flying forward. Once it's flying forward, I'm giving a slow rotation on a yaw, see? So it's flying a beautiful circle. Yes, just like this. Good, then I can follow you. Don't make circle too small. So if these two helicopters collide, that will be fun. I try to take you down, okay? I will try to crash my BO105 in your E110 spy helicopter. Well, spy helicopter is fast. Arish is flying speed level 1 while I have to switch to speed level 3 in these winds. Where are you? Come closer, Arish. If you go far, you will lose the orientation and crash again. I'm gonna crash into you. Arish's helicopter is faster in speed mode 1 even. Don't worry if you crash somewhere, just learn your orientation. Yes, very good. What I am really proud today is that Arish has somehow learned to control nose in. Oh yes, that was a hit. But look at that, Eachine E110 didn't do anything while BO105 went down pretty nicely, almost crashed. So Eachine E110 is a really strong helicopter, man. Where are you going? Come here, come here. Come here, I'm gonna crash into you. I'm flying it like fly harder, crash harder. That's the shirt I'm wearing today. Arish is making it difficult for me to... Yeah! Something broke! Something broke! Oh, BO105 tail broke! That, not vertical, the horizontal stabilizer is broken. Man, your helicopter is really strong! Every time I'm hitting you, you're breaking something on my helicopter. So, BO105 is gonna try one more time. And here we go. Arish is just doing those funnel movements. I dare you fly straight. I dare you fly straight. Come on, I'm gonna crash into you. I'm coming. That's like a chase, helicopter chase going on here, right? If you fly straight, it will be easier for me to crash into you. But you're making it difficult for me. Almost did it. Almost did it. All right, let's be peaceful now. Let's fly slow and nice together. Arish won. I failed to actually hit him more than twice. I got lucky twice and hit his helicopter E110. All right, so what we're gonna do is, that's much more than fun than I wanted to have, or we wanted to have. I'm just gonna land and pick up the broken tail. Yeah, this horizontal fin, fix it back in when I go home. And we should go home now because we are getting hot and we need water. We didn't bring water. So thank you very much, people, for watching this video. We both are happy. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Man, he's inshallah going to be a tough pilot if I keep training him, and for sure he will outdo me very, very soon, inshallah. So now we're gonna go home because it's getting hotter and we didn't bring water and we want to drink more water. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button and give this video a big like. Turn on all the notifications by hitting that little bell icon as well. Man, your helicopter is still okay. We should do an indoor challenge as well. Okay? All right, we are out here. Have fun, people. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.